Right, so we're going to have a look at how we can use some of our previous information to help us find information about the new circle. So here's a circle, and it has a center, and for the sake of argument, it has a beautiful tangent. Okay, so let's have a look and see what information we know about tangents. I'm going to give this tangent an equation: 2x plus 3y minus 13 equals 0. Okay, now from Junior Cert you should know that any line drawn from the center to the edge or the circumference of a circle is a radius. But more importantly, if it touches the point of contact between a tangent and a circle, it's actually a right angle. Which means if I know the center of the circle and I know the equation of the tangent, I can find the radius using the perpendicular distance formula. So let's give this center a simple center. We'll go with easy. We'll go with 2 and 3. So let's use our perpendicular distance equation. So remember, to use perpendicular distance, we need an a value, a b value, a c value, an x1, and a y1. So a is 2, b is 3, c is minus 13, x1 is 2, and y1 is 3. So let's put it into our formula. The absolute value of a times x1, b times y1, plus c, all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. Now, you can use your calculator, but I'll try and do it without the calculator. So that's going to be 2 2s is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13, oh, that's a bad one. Okay, sorry, I'm going to make that 4. Sorry, this is what happens when you do them in your head. So we make that one 4. So that's 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 minus 13 is 4. That's positive anyway, so I don't have to worry about the absolute value, over the square root of 4 plus 9 over root 13. So that is the radius. Now, how would I put this into an equation? Well, I have a center and a radius of 4 over the root of 13. So it's going to be x, h and k, minus h to be squared plus y minus k to be squared is equal to r squared. So that's x minus 4 plus y minus 3 is equal to, now let's square that, that's 16 over 13. And there you have it. Okay? So that's how you would use perpendicular distance formula to find the radius, and then from that you can find the equation of the circle. And it'll work the other way around. Okay? So if you know the point of contact, so let's do another one. If I know the point of contact and I know the center, so let's say the point of contact is 8, 2, and the center is 0, 0, just for the fun of it. Then I can find the equation of that, because I know that when I draw a line between there and there, the slope of that line is perpendicular to the slope of this line. So let's work out the slope of this line. Let's work out this m1. So m1 is going to be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it's going to be a quarter, which means the perpendicular slope, let's call this m2. So a quarter is perpendicular to minus 4. So minus 4 is the slope of this. I have a point on this, so now I can use this in my y minus y1. x1, y1. y minus y1 is equal to m on x minus x1. y minus 2 is equal to minus 4x plus 32. And we have 4x minus y minus 34 equals 0. And that's the equation of that line, just gotten from the 2 points, because we know the nature of it. Okay?